Rich salmon marinated in a blend of aromatic garlic, ginger, soy sauce, brown sugar and lime juice, served with fresh, tasty vegetables. And the best part? It's all roasted in a tinfoil packet in the oven, locking in these wonderful flavours and making cleanup an absolute breeze. You are going to love this. Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie and welcome to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Today we are doing a Thai-inspired recipe that not only is bursting with flavour, is really easy to prepare as well. Now I love recipes when you can just bung everything into the one pan or throw it onto a tray in the oven, or in this case, throw it all into a little foil packet, wrap it up and stick that in the oven. During the week when you're short of time, the kids are hungry and you want something quick and easy that doesn't compromise on flavour, this is an absolute winner. Now, if you don't like salmon, you've maybe not made it this far in the video, but if you're still with me, you can use any other kind of oily fish. So sea bass, for example, or trout works just as well. Right, ready to do it? Let's cook. I think that battens work best for the veggies in this recipe. So you want to make some carrot battens and some courgette battens, and then chop up the spring onion as well. Once you have prepped your veggies, you want to get a bowl to make the marinade. We're using 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I always use reduced salt because I'm cooking for 2 kids under 4. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, that's about the juice of 1 lime. A teaspoon of sesame oil. We're going to add in some turmeric as well. It does have some health benefits to it, which is always a plus. Some brown sugar and then equal measures of garlic and ginger. Then you want to mix all of that through so it is nicely combined, and then we're going to add our salmon to the marinade. For this, quantities wise, if you just get one of those packs of salmon fillets from the supermarket, that should be about anywhere between 130 and 150 grams per fillet. Just pop them in, stick it in the fridge and marinate it for about 30 minutes. At this point, please do click that like button. The reason why I ask you to do this is it always helps with the growth of the channel and it allows more people to see it. It's absolutely nothing to do with my ego, so please do click like if you've not already done it. Then let's start making those foil packets. So get some tin foil and then just distribute the carrot and the courgette along with the spring onions. You're also free to add any other veggies to this if you like. You could add some chopped up pepper, you could add some aubergine, all of these would work. Then put one of the salmon fillets into each of the foil packets, and then with the marinade that you have got, you're going to again just divide that up between the 2 of them. This recipe would easily scale if you wanted to do 4 salmon fillets, just double everything that I've said so far, and that would be absolutely fine. Then once you've added everything to the tin foil, just make it into a foil packet. So fold it up and make sure that the marinade doesn't go absolutely everywhere. And now for this recipe, traditionally I have always cooked this in the oven, but I've decided I'm going to do it in the air fryer because it just saves time and it's more cost effective. So once you've made the foil packets, you're going to pop them into an air fryer at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, you can do this in the oven, but you'll probably just need to cook it for a little bit longer. But just check and make sure the internal temperature of the salmon reaches 58 degrees Celsius. That's the ideal temperature for fish. Then you're going to plate it up. I like to serve this with couscous, but it also works with other veggies or rice. And then add the veggies to the side. And then you're going to have some of that juice left over and you can just drizzle that on top. But it's the absolute complete meal. I mean, everything is just cooked in the one packet. It is so easy. So that is delicious. Thai salmon foil packets cooked in the air fryer. Veggies, sauce, all in the one little pocket. Serve with some couscous. Absolute winner for a quick midweek meal. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. If you are a new viewer, if this is the first time you're watching this, please do click that subscribe button because then it means you won't miss out on future high protein recipes. And please also click that like button. I really appreciate it and it just helps with the growth of the channel and allows more people to see these videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you later.